let's have some lunch. It's a beautiful day today, and I came to get some Raisin Canes for lunch, okay? One of my TikTok nibblers had told me to get the Raisin Canes ice, and I tried it in a lemonade. It's so good. That being said, go follow me on TikTok. I love the sound of styrofoam. Let's see what's in here. Oh, here's some chicken fingers, coleslaw, some Raisin Cane sauce, some toast. Toast is so bomb. And I'm just going to enjoy my food and talk to you. Oh, wait a minute. Thank you, Lord. The Raisin Cane sauce is so good. You have some. So good. Let me try that coleslaw because when I came here before, this is only my second time eating Raisin Canes, but when I had it the first time, it was out of coleslaw. So today, she got two. And I hope it's good. And we can ready to see. So friends, let me know what you want me to try. Let me know what type of sounds you want to hear. Okay, let's go in for this. It looks creamy. It looks yummy. Delicious. Let's see. I hope y'all can see me. It seems dark in here. Okay. Oh, that's good. Okay. Thumbs up for the coleslaw Raisin Canes. What are you guys having for lunch today? I'm getting full now. The chicken tenders are so meaty. I'm already full. And the toast. Oh my gosh. My son sent me some new music. So I'm working on a new intro and outro to my channel. So I'm gonna see what he come up with. I told him something that is less party. Less party like. This was not 6 chicken tenders. This was only 4. What happened? Something not right. Oh God. They only gave me 4 tenders. You gotta watch people. They will give you anything. Now I gotta look like the fat girl going back around talking about where my other 2 tenders at. Y'all only gave me 4. The hell? Oh my goodness. That is ridiculous. Ooh. Okay. I'm making a mess. They robbed me of my 2 chicken tenders. And I'm full anyway. I gotta go. Like, comment, subscribe, share. I'll see you in the very, 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 very next video.